Well, there's a little kiosk here, and I thought I'd just grab a shot of that, but there's plus looking around at the station. This is at Nerang station. Surfers Paradise, the tram is just going by, and also this bus here, the 740, I've just come in on from Nerang, obviously goes back to Nerang and terminates at this point right here. It's supposed to be going. Well, it's supposed to be that way. Goes. Got a tram approaching Cypress Avenue. Surfers Paradise. Blowing virtually a gale of wind down here at the moment. Okay, there's a tram approaching Broadbeach South. Right, I'm at Broadbeach South, and there's a 700 bus to Tweed Heads, and I swing around and I get the tram, but unfortunately the sun is right coming in my eyes. Now the very interesting thing here, the tram arrival road is a single track at the present time, but passengers can get on either side, and we can see a track here on the right hand side disappearing. What's going to happen in the coming months is going to be an extension to this tram because it's under construction, and it's going to be a while before it gets completed. There's another bus, 754. A while before it is completed. Burley Head's about 7 kilometres. So I'm not sure whether the wind is going to interfere with this too much for the sound, but here you go anyway. Tram is now departing. Sorry about the huge number of people here in the way, but there's a 777 coming, double-decker, heading for the Gold Coast Airport. Crowds are really high around here. Okay, it's loading up, and get a shot of it going, I guess, in a moment. For a couple of minutes. Let's put it that way. over advertising, ruining the view. And it's about to go, I think. Should do. Right, the 777 is going to go on its way. Eventually, now. People walking in front of me, that's the way it goes. Tram is now departing Helensvale for Broadbeach South. Of special interest here are overseas friends. Trams on standard gauge, 4 foot 8.5, 750 volt overhead power. And right here, this is the railway station, and there's another tram over in the platform there, platform 5. Of interest is the fact that the platforms run in the wrong direction. They go 2, then 1, then, would you believe, 4 and 5. Now in the middle, there's, you think, well, where's number 3? Well, the number 3 is reserved for the future. They want to build an additional platform for the trams. So there's a all-over advertising tram which ruins the view. But anyway, it's the railway's on 3.6 gauge and 25,000 volt overhead. So that's just a little brief video to let you know what's going on here. A little trip today. Hope you enjoyed it. Well, I've just decided to add one more little item in here because it's amazing. There's a tram arrived. The other one's now departing, by the way. It is completely free of advertising. And in the background we see a tram leaving.
Will arrive on platform 2 in approximately 2 minutes. Please wait behind the yellow safety line until the train has stopped.